Plastic surgeon charged with killing wife on operating table. Hillary Ellington Brown suffered a cardiac arrest as her husband performed several procedures on her at his clinic in Florida. A renowned American plastic surgeon has been charged over the death of his wife during cosmetic surgery on his own operating table. Ben Brown was performing a series of procedures on Hillary Ellington Brown, 33, when she suffered a cardiac arrest in November at his clinic in Gulf Breeze, Florida. Ellington Brown, the mother of three, went into a coma during the operation and was taken off life support a week later. Her husband is facing charges of second-degree felony, homicide for allegedly cutting corners during Ellington Brown's treatment, according to an investigation by the Florida Department of Health. Brown allowed his wife, who did not have a medical license, to prepare her anesthesia solution and suture her own skin. Brown also documented that his wife had taken Valium shortly before he began operating on her and continued to inject her with lidocaine, a numbing agent, as she became unresponsive. He is said to have waited 10 minutes to start CPR after she began having seizures. Dr. Brown also shouted at the staff, asking them, "What medication did she take? What did she take?" The report alleged Dr. Brown fell below the minimum prevailing professional standard of care by permitting her to administer her own medications and therefore failing to know which medications she ingested prior to the procedure. Ellington Brown was taken to hospital, where she was kept on life support for a week and was pronounced dead on November 28th. Her cause of death was a result of complications following lidocaine toxicity. "My family lives in a sea of tears for eternity due to the actions of one careless individual," Ellington Brown's father, Marty Ellington, told the Pensacola News Journal. His ego and arrogance overshadowed the need for help, prolonging oxygen deprivation to her brain and ultimately causing her death. "Ben Brown took the mother from my grandchildren, my only daughter and our brightest star. Hillary gave the ultimate sacrifice so Ben Brown could not hurt anyone else. Maybe in prison, he will get the attention he deserves." According to an incident report, Ellington Brown underwent 5 operations, including an abdominal scar revision, a bilateral arm liposuction, lip injections, and ear adjustment procedures on the day that she went into a coma. The investigation described a culture of negligence at the dirty, unsanitized clinic, where staff took sedatives from the inventory to take the edge off. It also listed allegations against Brown made by other patients, including one who claimed he performed a Brazilian butt lift without her knowledge, and another woman who suffered necrotizing fasciitis after Brown operated on her. Brown's license has been restricted pending the criminal case against him. He turned himself in on Monday and was granted $50,000 bail.